Imagine living 500 years ago when the Earth was thought to be flat. Think of the opinions, the beliefs, the judgments, and the fears based on that one elementary but very mistaken premise, and how it limited human thinking and affected our behavior, like the fear of falling off the edge of the world if you sailed too far west from Portugal. We are living in a very similar time, a time when we are discovering that what we have always called our reality is actually not real at all. Instead, it's a hologram, according to many physics experts. Listen to Dr. Leonard Susskind of Stanford University.
This is the universe, or at least this is somebody's representation of the universe. And what I'm going to tell you next is it's not just black holes, which are holograms, but in a certain sense, the entire universe can be represented as a hologram, or any finite region of the universe, any big chunk of the universe can be represented as a hologram.
So I invite you to visit the Holographic Universe, a 5-part workshop series exploring how quantum physics and recent scientific experiments are radically changing our understanding of life, our reality, and our spirituality. For example, in January of 2012, physicists at the GEO 600 lab in Germany announced they now had scientific evidence that the entire universe is a holographic projection around the Earth. During these movie workshops, you're going to meet and hear, by way of video clips, from literally dozens of experts in their fields from colleges and universities all over the world, such as the renowned quantum physicist David Bohm from Princeton University, Carl Pribram, Georgetown University, David Albert, Columbia University, Richard Feynman, California Institute of Technology, John Hagelin, Maharishi University, Stuart Hameroff, University of Arizona, Nick Herbert, Monmouth College, Mikhail Ledwith, Maynooth College, Ireland, Andrew Newberg, University of Pennsylvania, Dean Radin, Saybrook Graduate School, Jeffrey Satinover, Yale University, William Tiller, Stanford University, Fred Alan Wolf, author of Taking the Quantum Leap and Parallel Universes, and many more. And they're all saying the same thing. We're living in a holographic universe.
When we look at some of the modern scientific views of reality that have tried to get down to the nitty-gritty, we see that at its ultimate level, say in M theory or string theory, that reality is not solid, it's mostly empty space, and whatever solidity it has seems more to resemble a hologram picture rather than material, harsh, solid reality.
Dr. Amit Goswami, theoretical nuclear physicist at the University of Oregon and author of 9 books on quantum physics and spirituality, suggests
this is the only radical thinking that you need to do. But it is so radical, it's so difficult, because our tendency is that the world is already out there, independent of my experience. It is not. Quantum physics has been so clear about it.
But what exactly does that mean? And why do the best and brightest physicists say that our reality is actually a hologram? And so what? If it's true, what difference does it make in our everyday lives and happiness? You may be very surprised how completely, how radically this information will change the way you think and believe and live. It is the modern-day equivalent of discovering that the Earth is actually round. In other words, we have arrived at another turning point in history, which we will explore in depth during these movie workshops. Each movie is over an hour long, narrated by Stephen Davis, author of Butterflies Are Free to Fly, a new and radical approach to spiritual evolution. To find out how to watch these movies, please visit www.holographic.org. holographicuniverseworkshops.com or simply click on the link below this video. And welcome to the holographic universe.